I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down and
hello guys, you welcome back again to my channel. So today I will be making this hair you are seeing now on your screen. Yes, this is how it is. So guys, I'll be using two different methods on this hair. So the first one I'll be using is just to braid from the beginning, and the second one I'll be threading the hair then before braiding, just like the way you put rubber band when you are doing the jumbo braids, then after you braid it, it will make it to be easier for you. But you can see this hair, it's super short. It is super short. Doing this hair from the starting to the end, oh my god, my hand were sore. I was having sore in the whole of my hands. It was so painful, but guys, I pulled through. It was not easy, but I made it. When the client first came to me, so the first thing that ran through my mind was like, what am I going to do? I don't even know where I'm going to start from. But guys, I told her, just sit there, let me see what I can do. The first one, I picked it, it was not going well. I said, let me try again. I picked it, then the second time I got it right. Then after I made 1 2, then another thought came in. How you can actually use thread to thread it, then it will come together. It will be easier for you to just braid it. So that was what I used, guys, in this hair styling, in this hair world. What will I call it? Beauty world. You have to be creative. If you are not creative, trust me, you can come out with something nice. So guys, I will leave you to watch this video, and thank you so much for always coming to watch my content. Thank you so much. Please, my people, please subscribe to my channel. As you are watching, don't just go away. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, I beg you with God now. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. So I will see you in my next video. So I will just allow you to watch this tutorial from starting to the end, and when you finish watching, please subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, and also like this video, share with your friends. Okay, I am going now. Oh, bye bye. Let me go and finish this hair. It's not easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Myself follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Follow your trail, and I'm losing your mind, and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
So guys, I was not able to show the face, because she don't want her face to be seen while she's doing it, because she's like, I don't know how this hair is going to look like on me. Queen, please just do it. When you finish, you can take the photo. If it look nice, good. So I have to do it like this for her. Okay, so guys, and the hair came out nice. So I'll be sharing the photos also. You will see them on the thumbnail, and as I'm doing it, I will show you guys, so they look nice. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please guys, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, share with your friends and your family, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.
I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit.